Do you know why we cost differently at GVP? Builders are quoting in a different way, and they know the trick that in order to win, you have to put the low price. We don't do that because we know the prices and we know the things, how much it costs. We're not low, we're not high. We try to be the right price that will match your budget, depend of your desire. And because every client has a budget, we are able to offer options rather than just to put on the table one price and try to win it based on being lowest. However, we don't like at the end of the day to come back to you and try to win more money with extra services, extra works. So we want you to be in control. We want you to be in control of your budget because that one is a peace of mind. And for us, the peace of mind of the client is a peace of mind of the work is happening. But because where is stress, everything's may go wrong. And because we love what we do, we want to be in a peaceful environment that will create happiness, success, and results in work. Your quote will be based on truth, no tactics. And we're going to be transparent and you'll show it on our calculator, on a live dashboard. So it's your call at the end of the day. You decide to go with someone that is transparent or just to go with something that is not clear but is the lowest price. If you want to see the way we price, book a cool Zoom call with me and I'll show you and I'll explain you how our calculator works and what you're getting with your money.